So we're gonna start baking something. We put this aluminum foil and we sprayed with canola spray this time. And now we're gonna open the dough. Open the dough, okay? We start by peeling off this. It shows over here how to peel it. And then you just burst it into a surface in order to open it, and it's opening up, see? Okay, so now we're gonna start the process. We already have here some flour because we're gonna roll this dough over here. So we are ready to start working. Okay, so it's opening up. We're gonna open it very nicely and spread it and cut it in half. This is the way it came out. Okay, came out like that. Now we're gonna open it up and stretch it half and half with our rolling pin. Okay, so I rolled it with the rolling pin. It had perforated over here because this was designed for something else in the box. So I closed it all. I closed all these holes that they had. And now I'm gonna put it in the bottom of the pan. And I'm gonna do cream cheese and apple pie filling. Okay. See? I put flour on top so I could roll the pin a little bit better. Okay. Yeah, they do all these things already for you. It's much easier than doing from scratch. Okay, so now I'm gonna put in my pan like this. And then cream cheese. It's already in the pan. Now I have my cream cheese from this box. Comes with this foil. And then I'm gonna cut little pieces and put it in here. I'm gonna put some milk in my fingers so it won't stick to my fingers. And then I'll spread it around. And you know, of course it's gonna melt, so you don't have to fuss much about it. As long as the bottom doesn't have any holes, because I cover them all, then the other half still has holes, but that's okay because it's gonna be for the top, and the top needs to let the steam come out, so it's okay with the holes. Okay, let's see what's gonna be here. This is the way it looks. We spread the cream cheese. Now we're gonna work on the apple that came from a can also, and I'm gonna show it to you. Okay, apple pie filling. So we're gonna put some of it also inside, and then we're gonna put the rest on top, the rest of the dough, but we have to spread it with the spin too, with the pin. Okay, I'm gonna open another one and I'm gonna make cinnamon rolls. Okay, so we're gonna peel off what it says over here to peel off the cover, and then we hit it in the counter and it's gonna open automatically. Okay, and then we can start working on another dough. It came out like that. Now we're gonna stretch it, but we are not gonna divide it in half and half. It's gonna be the whole thing to make our cinnamon rolls. Looks like this. I had some leftover dough from the other Danish that I did. I'm gonna put everything all together and I'm gonna spread with little flour so the pin will roll better. without sticking to the dough. Everything is practically done. So this is the phase we are in. We stretched the dough. Then we put a very nice a portion of butter or margarine, whatever it's better for you. And then I put cinnamon and brown sugar combined. And now I put some cranberry raisins. So dried cranberries, I would say, that I had soaked in some warm water to fluff them up. And now it's time to start rolling it on one side, and then we'll cut it and put it in the tray. Okay, so brown sugar, cinnamon, cranberries, and butter. And now we're gonna roll the dough. Almost all rolled up. Okay, at the end you do the other way, meaning you put this on top of this and make sure it's really tight and nice, and then we are ready to cut. So this is a nice way of having this ready-made dough already in the home for when you feel like doing something, because they keep for a long time in the refrigerator. Okay, so this is a simple way of doing things. Now we're gonna cut this in pieces like this and then put it in the tray. Okay, ready for the oven. I cut them, they look like roses, and I put some milk on top for them to get more brown and look more beautiful. And it only made 8, but you can double the recipe if you have more dough. And we should not spread them too much apart, so they should be kind of almost together. And ready for the oven. And after that we'll do the glaze to go on top. Okay, see you soon. And here they are in the oven. Final product. Here they are out of the oven. They were there like probably, I would say, close to 20 to 30 minutes at 350. And they look good, golden brown. I hope it's well cooked. I'll let you know. And when they cool a little bit, we're gonna put the glazing, which is sugar, granulated sugar I should say, and lemon juice or vanilla, just a little bit, because if you put too much then you lose the glaze completely. Okay, so be careful with the liquid. So I did my glaze with a little bit of vanilla extract. That's why it's the color is like more, almost like a beige than icy white. I put just a little bit of milk, a teaspoon or 2, but be careful with the liquid, because once you lose the consistency you have to start over and do a new one. So you can do this with confectioner's sugar, okay, like I have over here, and then a little bit of vanilla, not much, a little bit of lemon juice. Again, be careful with the liquids, and if you put too much sugar and you still need a little bit of liquid, then you put 1 or 2 spoons of milk. Okay, this is the consistency. And now we are going to put all over our cookies over here, our cinnamon rolls. Okay. When you do these cinnamon rolls, you can put anything that you want inside. Could be raisins, walnuts, pecans, whatever you like. Even jelly sometimes. Whatever you have at hand to make it different. Today I put cranberries. Okay, so let's see now. We're gonna get our Danish. This Danish is cream cheese and apple. Okay, let's put a little glaze on top. Yes, and now we're gonna let it really stay a little bit so all this glaze will stay crispy, because after a while it's gonna be crispy. Okay, I almost have nothing, see? But this is sugar and sugar, so you have to be more careful with so much sugar. But the eyes also eat, so we like things that look pretty. Okay. Smells delicious in this house. And again, I usually say, in this pandemic, we are all feeling a little bit depressed, impatient, alone. But when you feel like that, just grab something to do and bake. Create something new for you or for the family, so the time will go by much better. So the time will go by much better if you entertained your body and your mind, so you don't have to feel so alone or so lonely. Okay, enjoy, don't forget, subscribe and watch my next video. Okay, always surprises. Bye bye, stay safe. So place your cinnamon rolls in a nice dish. Like this one has apples. Okay, apples. Okay. And even the bees are already flying around. No. This is just for display right now. I'm gonna put them inside the house. Okay, enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe and follow my channel. My channel is Living Simply in the USA. Bye bye, stay safe. This is gonna be the other dish for our cream cheese apple Danish. Okay, I don't know if I'll cut it out in little pieces. Maybe it would look more presentable. I'll see. Anyway, let's see over here. I have some designs in my kitchen towel. What is this? And then we have a fax, and then it says happy fall, and that's what I wish to you. Happy fall, all the leaves. Okay, oh, we have squirrel. Happy fall, you all. Okay. Oh, it has a little flower on top. That's all my cooking. Okay. The complete image. Okay, and I bet it's gonna be very tasty. Cheese apple Danish. So appropriate for the fall. I wish you a good day, It's Saturday and I started my day baking. Not bad. Bye-bye. This is gonna be the other dish for our cream cheese apple Danish. Okay, I don't know if I'll cut it out in little pieces. Maybe it would look more presentable. I'll see. Anyway, let's see over here. I have some designs in my kitchen towel. What is this? And then we have a fax. And then it says, Happy Fall. And that's what I wish to you. Happy fall, all the leaves. Okay, oh, we have squirrel. Happy fall, you all. Okay. Oh, it has a little flower on top for my cooking. Okay,